Hi guys, I'm gonna be unboxing the Dreame A3 all-wheel drive 1000. I think this is the base model for the Dreame A3 all-wheel drive. Got this on Amazon for $1,360. I think it was on sale on Amazon Prime Day, so not a bad deal for an all-wheel drive. Let me see. Let me get this card. So, books, chargers, uh, screw, blade. Let's see. Ooh, look at this baby. The charging station. Look at this Lamborghini. Ooh. First look gonna be my. You see my yard is like kind of disgusting. See, this is why I bought the all-wheel drive version. Bumper area. I initially bought the Mobile Light 1000, but I can return it because I'm pretty sure it's not going to survive this. Oopsie. It's sitting in a no-go zone. Gotta say, this robot can go over anything. This is why you need an all-wheel drive. You don't want to waste your money and then want to return them. Yay. Okay, let's start our first mowing. I set mine at 3.5 inches because, no, this is Houston, Texas. The grass required to be, I don't know. Let's see. These will look pretty trash to me, but tank. Do you have to bring it visibly on? Wait a minute. Oh yes. What else, Scotty? Maybe I set it a bit too high. Ah, wait. Hmm. Is it cutting on now? So quiet.